Hey, what's up, guys? I just been home since the whole weekend, so it's Tuesday, and just doing the chores and chilling with my kids. But my boy that works in the FedEx just called me, told me he has a box for me. I haven't ordered anything. Whoa, I wonder what it is. So that's where I'm heading. Go out there and go see what this box is all about. So let's head to the shop. Wow, I haven't been outside for days already, man, and it's beautiful out there. Take a little walk and enjoy this beautiful day, being locked up in here for days, man. Look at everything you gotta start doing every time you go outside. Where's my mask? Oh, here it is. Ready. Let's head to the shop. Let me tell you something, for being 2 o'clock in the afternoon in the park, really nobody outside. This park at this time will be packed, but that means everybody's doing what they do, man. So we could get back to normal. Let's do this. Let's head to the shop. Yo, what's up, Edwin? You got a box for me out there? All right, I'm coming out right now. Good day to you, and how you be, everybody? As you saw at the end of the intro, the label on the box says Screen Print Direct. Yes, that's where it comes from, Screen Print Direct. They reached out to me and they wanted to send me some product so I could test and review on the channel. Plus, the best thing that got me so happy is that they want to collab with the channel, and that's great. That means the channel is making some noise, man. Woo! Great, man. And it's not because I'm a customer of theirs. This is the first time I'm testing their product and seeing what they are. I went to their website, and let me tell you, the prices look pretty decent. Let me tell you, pretty decent. Check them out. But before I open this box, I want to tell you guys, stick around to the end because I have a little surprise for all y'all screen printers. So let's open this box. So as you see here, this everything, all this came out of the box. Let me tell you, man, thank you to the people at Screen Print Direct for giving us the opportunity and supporting our channel by giving us this to test out. Awesome. And they also said they're gonna give us some products to give away. That's what I want to talk about to you. That's why I told you wait till the end, because once they start bringing some stuff, we're gonna do some giveaways. And I have a little idea of how I'm gonna create a little challenge for these giveaways. It's gonna be awesome. But they sent us this ink. It's a low cure ink, which means is instead of curing the shirt through the tunnel at 320, you're gonna cure it at 280 degrees, which helps you print on polyester, 50-50 blend. Should be pretty good. I have not done this with the low cure ink. I only had one ink I had to do. It's called poly ink. That's the only one I really use. But the low cure ink that works on polyester and cotton, awesome. If this comes out really nice, oh man, you're gonna have a customer right here. The other thing they gave us was the Plastisol press wash. We're gonna test this one out. The emulsion, we're gonna test out. They got some scrubbers, but I really like this. This spatula, it has the little logo on it. I don't know if you guys could see the logo. I don't know if you guys could really see it, but nice. And these little spatulas here for the ink. Oh man, beautiful. Thank you, Screen Print Direct, for giving us the opportunity. So stay tuned to the next week when I do the video. We're gonna test out the white and black ink. I got a job I gotta do where it requires t-shirts, hoodies, and polyester shirts. So perfect timing. We're gonna be able to do a little review on this ink. And if it does good, then we're good, man. So, and like I said before, they're gonna bring us some other inks and we're gonna create a little challenge too. I could do some little giveaways. That'll be my first giveaway. I'm dying for some giveaways. But if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. May God bless you all. Be grateful. Stay safe. Peace out.